Hello, welcome to the channel. Man Mick here. I'm here somewhere. I've got a beard nearly. Super Soco TC Max. Taking the side panel off easy as peas as pie. I'm thinking it's coming up to winter time, so specifically the bike may have had last winter. It's 8 months old, so it's possibly had last winter usage. And I want to check the frame because the frame comes down the middle here and splits on the motor here where the motor is attached, comes back down to here, and the big part down here comes up to here, and it comes down there as a frame both sides. I've had the other side off and done that side. This side I was just going to show you how to put the panels back on because they're quite nice and easy. I took the footrest hanger off mainly because it gets in the way. The footrest hanger gets in the way, so it's only 2 bolts, then bolts down there, take the footrest hanger off, and then it's easy enough to take this panel off. Basically there's 5, as you can see there, there's 4, you just slot them in and push them forward, and there's 1 of these goes into there, so that's nice and easy. So I'm going to do that now quickly, while you're on my lap. Oh no, you've gone away now. While you're on my, no, I'll put you down there. That's probably better if I put you down there somewhere, won't it? So you can see there. So I'm just going to put these 4 into there, which is nice and easy to do. This part has to go around, sorry, that part has to go around the back. I got that wrong, didn't I? So that goes around the back, and we've got 1, 2, 3. Last one, 4th one in, and that's in, and that's it. So specifically there's a screw for there, and this is the locking for the 3 top panel ones. So nice and easy. Going to put that on now. So let's do these 2 screws first. Taking it off is the reverse. You'd start with the other one first. Make sure it's all in. Better. Just line it up a bit better. Okay, so that's them 2 in. So then that now is locked in position because it's got 4 forward lockers. Got a thing on the back there. And then it's a top panel. The top panel has 1 locator lug there and 1 locator at the front, and a push there and a push there, a female and a male. So there's 1 hole there, etc. So I'm going to just put this on now. That locks into there like that. That locks into there like that. Push that into there, and that's on. So I've just got to put the 3 panels on. So that's how easy it is to actually take the panels off. The top one comes off first, 3. Take the actual footrest off so you can get this bottom piece off. There's only 2 screws hold this bottom bit on. So that will have to go down when I put the screws in. But with the footrest off, this comes off nice and easy. And then you can ACF 50 your frame and make sure everything's nice and neat for winter usage. I just did the front brake this morning with I forgot what they call it, BBS. I'll put that in afterwards. So they've got sintered brakes, EBC sintered brakes on the front there, because it's combined braking, so that'll be great stopping power now on the front there, and she'll be all ready for winter, going to work, doing 100 miles a week going to work. So yep, sorted it all out. So I've done the other side, check the drive belt. It's easy to check all the nuts and screws and bolts and stuff because they're all like this. This one, you know it's tight because it's got a marker, so all the nuts and bolts have markers on them, so you know that they haven't moved, etc. Look, there's the markers on there, on the front, the markers on the discs, yeah. So you know the bolts haven't moved or need tightening. So you just go around checking everyone, and same on the back here. See that there's a mark there, so you know it hasn't moved. So all the main bolts which need to be checked for servicing are marked. Then you can go around and finger tight and make sure all the rudders are tight. That's it. Just wanted to make sure you know how to do the frame inside, how to get inside. 3 bolts off here first, take that panel off, take your footrest hanger off there, and then you've got 2 screws that hold this in, and basically it just falls back and pops off. Right, quick one. Mad Mick, I'm going to sign off and see you later.